In the previous lecture, we have started the topic application of the derivatives, in which we have discussed increasing and decreasing function. We have also discussed some of the questions related with that. Continuing that topic, we are discussing some more few questions of this topic. In the exercise, let us see the question number 9, in which it is given that we have to prove that y is equal to 4 sin theta upon 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function in the interval 0 to pi by 2 with a closed interval. हमें शो करना है कि इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन है इस इंटरवल के अंदर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा अप्लाइंग द कोशिएंट रूल हियर, व्हिच इज 2 प्लस cos theta 4 cos theta minus 4 sin theta and minus sin theta upon 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. It gives you 8 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. It gives you 8 cos theta, taking this 4 as common, then cos square plus sin square is 1. So 4 minus 2 plus cos theta whole square. Taking LCM, 8 cos theta plus 4 minus 4 minus cos square theta and minus 4 cos theta. 2 plus cos theta whole square. Removing 4 from here, 4 cos theta minus cos square theta upon, now in between 0 to pi by 2, the value of cos is always positive. Multiplying that by 4, or you can take 4 cos theta as common. Upon 2 plus cos theta whole square. Since cos theta is greater than 0 for all x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, the maximum value of cos is 1 and the minimum value is minus 1, because its value lies between plus 1 to minus 1. So if you see here, cos theta is greater than 0, 1 minus cos theta, the value of cos theta is less than 1 in 0 to pi by 2. It means that if we take here, it implies cos theta is greater than 0. If we take minus cos theta, it is less than 0. If we take 1 minus cos theta is less than 1, that is positive. 2 plus cos theta whole square is also greater than 0. Therefore, overall dy by d theta is greater than 0 for all x belonging to theta belonging to 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, we can say the given function is strictly increasing in function in interval 0 to pi by 2. There are multiple choice questions 11, 12, 13 here. Then I discuss one of the more question with you. It is given in the 15th question, let I be an interval disjoint from minus 1 to 1. I means an integer disjoint from minus 1 to 1. Prove that a function fx is equal to x plus 1 upon x is strictly increasing on I. Fx is equal to x plus 1 upon x. X belongs to I. Disjoint from means leaving minus 1 to 1, open interval. Minus 1 to 1, leaving that values. In one other values, you have to show it is strictly decreasing. Now let us take f dash x. It's x square minus 1 minus 1 upon x square. Place एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स 1 minus 1 upon x square is equal to 0, 1 is equal to 1 upon x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1. If we take number line here, it's minus infinity, minus 1, 1, infinity. Case first, when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 in the open interval. Minus infinity to minus 1, the value say it is minus 2. Placing the value here, f dash x, when यहाँ minus 2 रखते हैं तो it's 1 upon 4, it is greater than 0. तो एफ एक्स इज strictly increasing on x belonging to minus infinity to minus 1. Then case second, for it is positive, when x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Let us just take the say minus 0.5 ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर, minus 0.5 it becomes 2, 0.25, 0.44, तो f dash x is less than 0, नेगेटिव आ रही है. It means that f x is strictly decreasing on x belonging to minus 1 to 1. Case third is from 1 to infinity, when x belongs to 1 to infinity. When x belongs to 1 to infinity, then कैमरा बंद क्यों जाता है बीच में? आ रहे हैं जहाँ से दिक्कत करी ठीक कराओ. सारी वीडियो सारी बनानी पड़ेगी वाली, इससे तो पता लग जाता है कि यहाँ बंद हो गया एकदम से. हाँ जी, क्या हाल है? और सुनाओ. हाँ, मैं एक्चुअली स्कूल में था ना, स्कूल से लेट आ रहा हूँ आजकल. आप चले जाए, मैं बेटिया को दे आया था पैसे ना. मुलाकात हो जाएगी, शाम को हो पाएगी मुलाकात, तो मैं 3-4 बजे के आसपास आता हूँ, 3 साढ़े 3 के आसपास. हाँ, आ जाता हूँ. ठीक. दोबारा ही करने पड़ेगा तो फिर तुम्हें.